Today we're gonna drop a bio bomb because this truck smells like shit. Instructions and bio bomb. First, we're gonna fill it up with water to the line. Chlorine dioxide tablet. I'm gonna pull out our oxygenator. Then we're gonna wait an hour. After 1 hour, hold your breath. Now that we got the odors out of my truck with the VDK kit, we're gonna refresh it with the Appleton bar. Gonna break this bar in half, put half of it back, put the other half in the bag, and then put that under the passenger seat. Truck's good as new.